Hi, we're back cooking with Sharon, and today I have a special edition type thing for all of our kids out there, or the mothers of the children, or the dads. Have you ever just had a group of children over your house, maybe for a play date, and you need to have some snacks for them? Or after school, your kids are, mom, dad, I'm hungry. I want a snack. Well, I got the perfect option for you. You know, I'm into these charcuterie boards, and I figured, you know what? Kids need options too. So why not have a kid-friendly version charcuterie? So this is what I did. I looked, I don't have kids, but I have a ton of friends that have kids, and I know how they eat, or I knew how I ate when I was a kid. You want a whole bunch of junk, you want some fun things, and so that's what I did. But your parents want you to eat healthy. So we have some cool options here. I think kids love dips. So we have, I have a fruit dip here. I have hummus that kids may like, and I have peanut butter. Now, hopefully none of the kids that we're talking to right now have a peanut allergy, but we can adjust a lot of this stuff based upon dietary restrictions. So let's get started. As you all know, this is one of my new favorite boards that I have that I'm invested in. And what we'll do is we'll add our dips first. The thing about charcuteries is that you kind of like go with the flow and you make it your own. So let's see, how do I want to, I think I'm going to start off with, I don't know. Yeah. Hummus and peanut butter. So we're going to do the healthy stuff, the most healthy stuff first. I did add in some, because I love these too myself, chocolate covered pretzels. I mean, pretzels are kind of healthy, right? Yeah, kind of. But they have to have fun and have some, sweets to it as well. So we're going to wait to the end to do that. So let's start with, I think, because those grapes may roll around. Let's start with the cheese. Most kids love cheese. So I did like 3 different types of cheese here. And I have a cheddar, a sharp cheddar. And what the great thing about these, I couldn't find it, honestly, is you can make shapes out of your cheese. So you can have different types of shapes. I didn't find a small enough cutter to make these into different shapes. They could be, you could have this board so it's kind of like kids are learning from it. You can have shapes, different shapes of your cheese. But we're going to stick with the square because that's what we have here today. And then Colby Jack cheese. Most kids love that. So we will put that on here as well. I think I'm going to put some in the middle. We're going to do all our cheese kind of like in the middle. And then most kids love string cheese. So I have string cheese for them right here. And you can just I took them out of the package and kind of like, we can just put it right here. And again, you can put as much on here as you want, or as little. And then I figured with cheese and kids, these are pepperoni, but they're turkey pepperoni. So I have some of these, and kids can actually make like a cheese and pepperoni cracker type of snack. So that's why I put these crackers here. So we'll go ahead and put the pepperoni right next to it. And again, if you want different types of pepperoni, that's fine. I am trying to eat a little bit healthier. So that's why I did the turkey. But as you know, they have beef pepperoni. They have the regular standard pork pepperoni. We'll add that here. And then we'll do our crackers like maybe right here. Yeah, we'll do it in like kind of like a circular motion. Okay, so we have our cheese placed. I think I'm gonna move this to right here. And I'm gonna actually switch this so the hummus is over here and the peanut butter is right there. Next, we're gonna do some vegetables. Most kids love peanut butter, and do you remember ants on a log? I think so. That's what they were. Yeah. Growing up, where you took the the peanut butter and the celery. I'm gonna do it here. And then it's ants on a log. Ants on a log. That's what it was. And You take the celery, peanut butter, and raisins. We're going to use craisins today. But that was something that I hated, actually. But I kind of had to eat it because, well, it's kind of forced. And because it was healthy. So we're going to add that. And let me see. I'm just going to show you. Should I change? No, we'll keep it here. And I'm just going to put it like this. So I'm going to take this peanut butter. Look, y'all. And we're going to make ants on a log. That's it. And that's what they can do too. Ants on a log. We're going to put the peanut butter. I chose to use the non-smooth peanut butter just because I like it. And it's personal preference. So we have that. Ants on a log. Ants on a log. And then we're also going to I'm going to make, I guess it would be considered ants too. We're going to put most kids like goldfish. So we're going to use some goldfish too. And these are all just nice, healthy snacks. And I'm not going to do all of them. I'm just showing you an example. So they can have this. And let me put this out to the side for a second. I'll smooth that out momentarily. Okay. So wait, where are our ants? Right here. So our ants need to go close by the peanut butter. We'll put those right there. It's just craisins. So look, ants on a log. Bam. See? Kids love it. And they'll have it right here. So this is something that they can actually do themselves. Okay, so we have the ants, craisins. Then we're going to add some, we need to finish adding the carrots. I want to put them over here. Because you can actually use carrots next to the peanut butter as well. They can dip. Kids love dip. So you have different dip options. And that's why I put this other dip right here too, because you can add fruit. And it's a fruit dip. So you have many options. We're going to add these strawberries and grapes. Kids love grapes. We'll add those. And then your dip is right here. This dip is actually something we make here. It's a yogurt. It's a cream cheese based dip, strawberry. And then we'll add in I pre-peeled some mandarins. So you can add those right here. I'm going to make that, smooth it out. Okay, now we need to add in some of this junk food, but it's good food. It's probably not the most healthy all the time, but since we have the other ants, which are going to be our goldfish, kids love goldfish, so why not have them on here? We'll just add these right here. And then we have, look, this peanut butter celery. We'll put some goldfish on here. Okay. I gotta figure out how to make this stay. Okay. And then we have, kids love animal crackers. I was just going crazy in the store. Like, what do kids love? And these are things that I actually like too. These animal crackers, you can put those on. All right. This is something healthy. Our apple crisp. We'll add those next to the other fruit. I'm going to add those in a second, because I would like to jazz this up and make it look good. So again, these are all things that you probably have in your house already. And when those kids come over, you want to have something for them. So something simple and easy. You may not have everything, but that's all right. They just want something to grab off of. And again, this is going to be our kid-friendly version. And another thing too about this is that kids can help you make it. So this could be a fun family activity. if you want to try to, entertain if you're babysitting. All right, so we're going to put these apple crisp right here next to all the other fruit. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm not a huge fan of these, but I hear kids love them. They're veggie straws. So I said, why not? Let's add them. So we'll put them over here. And I understand they're supposed to be healthy. So kids love them and they're healthy. Why not? Okay, a couple more items I think we can probably get on here. And that is, this is one of my favorites. So that's why I added cheese curls, crisp. I don't know what they call it nowadays, but I like them. And so I said, why not add them? So we'll put them right over here. You kind of have to mix them in. All like the other boards that I've made for you guys, you kind of, at this point, you're filling in. So it's just, you're adding it for color, you're adding it for depth. And then if they eat it all, we just replenish. Okay. Okay, and last but not least, I have two more things. We're going to add this Chex Mix right here. That's healthy. Healthier than some other options. And then last but not least, you got to have something sweet and chocolate. So I chose, like I told you before, chocolate covered pretzels. And we'll just add those, just a couple around the middle. And I think we're good to go. So, yeah, I think that's good. I mean, you all let me know if your kids would eat this or their friends. So here's just to another option for you to put together at home quickly and something fun to do. So this is our kid charcuterie. As always, we appreciate you joining us. Till the next time, Cooking with Sharon. Take care.